Good morning, everyone. Hello, Alphys. Good morning, trading room. It is magnificent, very sunny and very pleasant August 14th in beautiful southern Florida. Here's the dance on ES. Here's a reminder. We know better not to take an entry into decision point 1. Therefore, I have to monitor to see what price will do at these levels. Would be very critical for me to patiently monitor for a pullback, as very powerful formation started on ES pre-market. So currently I have to exercise patience and discipline, as I know that taking long anywhere near this level is not a good idea. Level all the way to the upside is 1694, where I expect sellers to show up very close to the danger zone. Quite an impressive rally started on ES overnight, and right now it continues in full bloom. And that is the rally we caught yesterday on our 5 range that still continues on to the upside. So currently I'm simply monitoring for a pullback. Level I'll be monitoring to the upside is 1694. Here's oil. Here's a dance on oil as we discussed in Alpha Wave Traders Club. This is very powerful reversal, a couple of ticks from danger zone levels as completely expected. Everything we teach in Alpha Wave Trader course. This is a completely expected reversal. This is where price had found support for 3 hours and finally staged this quite impressive bullish dance. Will be quite fascinating to see what news will be, as at this point, based on the current structure, the bulls are in control, but by very slight advantage, incredibly small advantage. Based on the current structure, bulls are in charge at about 60% to bears at 40%. It's not a magnificent bullish structure. It's an okay bullish structure. So it would be very critical to see. If we don't have enough oil, this rally will continue, but it will have very bumpy ride to the upside, because the bullish structure is not as magnificent and spectacular as we'd like it to see. But again, we are witnessing the pullback on oil, and this is exactly the same what I'm monitoring currently for on ES. Pay attention to the importance not to catch a ride in the middle of the bullish trend, as the pullback is imminent and it will happen at any moment. Entering in the middle of wave 3 is not a prudent and conservative thing to do, as we demonstrated very clearly yesterday by incredibly patiently waiting for a pullback and taking a very cute, adorable long on ES for 2.5 points. That was clearly yesterday a day of demonstration of how critical patience and discipline is. And that's exactly what we will have to practice on ES, as you're already seeing a pullback to the downside. Everything we discussed pre-market in Alpha Wave Trader course is exactly what you're witnessing currently. When the pullback will shape up, it would be quite sudden, and this is exactly what you are seeing. Reminder, entering in the middle of wave 3 at the market open is not a prudent thing to do. It has already pulled down for 2.5 points, and you're seeing how sudden and how sharp it is. This is a reminder. Don't enter in the middle of wave 3. Don't do random entries. Waiting for precise, clear, rule-based entries is absolutely essential. And that's exactly what you learn in the course. Please do remember, the class is this afternoon. Alright, let's monitor the charts. We're off to trade. Let's do remember that it is Oil News Day.